in the cash can. Activate your hips and put your ass out. Got a brother wanting it so bad I'm about to pass out. Wanna dig you, and I can't even lie about it, baby. Just alleviate your clothes, I'm the fly out. Catch you at the club, your hips have got me feeling. Body talking through to me, but I think I ran the meaning. Now if you wanna roll with me, then there's a chance for me, lady, on the freeway. Catch me if you can, look at me in my ride. Still I'm just a simple man, all I want is money plus the fame. I'm a simple man, Mr. International, player with a passport. Just like a Latin switch, do anything you ask for. Either him or me, the champagne, Hennessy, flavor of my homies when we toss on our enemies. Witnesses we creep to a low speed, beat what my foes need. Make some emojis for you don't need. Approaching women with a passion, been a long day, but I've been driven by attraction in a strong way. Your body is banging, baby, I love the way you're flowing. Tell me, give it to daddy, sugar, now tell me how you want it. I had no sympathy for those afraid of mystery. Come get with me, I promise passion and ecstasy. I'm alone, can I come over there tonight? Depend on me to one to handle it and get it right. Your body is banging, baby, I love the way you're flowing. Tell me, give it to daddy, sugar, and tell me how you want it. Yeah, come on. Tell daddy how you want it.